Hi ladies, welcome back. Deborah Berry here at All Things Pretty, and we do love All Things Pretty. So great to be back with you. It's been a great week and I have some new pretty things to show you. Of course, Nordstrom's is having their anniversary sale right now. One thing I bought was not on sale. I just could not help getting them. I just have to show you. There are these shades called Diff. I don't know if you've heard of Diff. I haven't. They were not on sale. They were regular price, and I love the inside of the case. It says, "Let's make a difference." So I guess that's Diff. They were $85. It came with a little dust cloth. Still have the tag on, but they are this beautiful, they look blue on the outside and black from the inside. They are gorgeous, and they are what we will call all things pretty. I mean, how can you go wrong in these ladies? How cute are they? And I don't have the perfect nose for glasses. I have a wide bridge that just glasses just don't hang on too well. But these are so pretty. I mean, so pretty. How can you not want these ladies? We have to have these in our wardrobe. And I think they're fantastic. They're Jackie O kind of updated, but really pretty. Also, with the anniversary sale, and I will post these later on my Instagram. You have to follow me. It's Deborah 4032 on Instagram, and you have to. These are gorgeous, gorgeous. See, it's like a mirror effect, and there's no frame around them. I really fell in love with those. I didn't want to pay $85, mind you. Sometimes you just have to take that leap, huh? Now, the other pair I got is by Quay. Isn't that nice? Look at that Quay. It says Quay. And of course, I got them. They were $35 on sale. They were half price. Or something off anyway. But it's a nice clear case. But I had to have them because they're like blush. Like a neutral vanilla peachy pinky color. The arms are gold, and oh my god, are they not gorgeous? They don't fit as well as those, but I'm telling you, and they're heavier. They weigh a lot more than those. And these ladies, oh my goodness, you just have to have them. You have to have them. I'm sure I'm looking crazy and they'll probably look really good on you. But I'll play them off anyway, just play them off anyway because, wow, they're beautiful. And I also ordered a hat that hasn't come in yet. White Panama with a black band. And ladies, cannot leave that, and I will have these. I'll list the information for you, if you want to get them. But they're at Nordstrom's. Nordstrom's. They keep pulling me in and pulling me in, and I don't need anything else from Nordstrom's. But, every now and then, you got to have something great. So how have you ladies been with your pretty? Have you been practicing your pretty? Have you been saying no more sweats, no more big loose t-shirts? Put on pretty. And today I'm just in a tank. And it's a very old tank that I've had for many, many years. And I love these earrings. These are, I think, Kate Spade. Yeah, I have them in white too. I got them last year. Yeah, last summer. Really cool. I have something else to show you. Something so exciting. They're t-shirts. Let me get them for you. I have 3 of them. And they are adorable. Look at this. Look at that. It says Vogue. Isn't that beautiful? I have a black one just like it that says Vogue. Absolutely fabulous. And then I have this one, ladies. We love this one. Look at that. Shoes, purse, makeup, cologne, And I ordered these from this company called Figure World, a figure site. And they came literally all the way from China. I mean, it took so long for these to get here. and they were only 18 bucks, but they're kind of a nice cotton, kind of a jersey. I ordered mediums because I was thinking, you know, I don't know this company. Is this going to be a little wimpy, limpy t-shirt? But they're gorgeous. I can't wait. I'm going to have to wear one for you so you can see. I have lots of ideas. We're going to play with this and I'm going to show you. I have a black tulle skirt, kind of like my girl here. I want to put mine on with my tulle skirt and do some things with it. And we'll get back to you on that one. You know, it's kind of warm for t-shirts right now, but oh. Anyway, like I said, they came all the way from China, but they did give me tracking info. I could track it. It was in Shenzhen, China, and somewhere else, China, and then it went to California for a long time, and it sat there, but it kept telling me it was en route, you know. I think it took like 3 weeks or so, and they have another one that I want that has a shoe on it with a big red flower. Gotta have that because I want to wear that with red lips. Even though today I'm rocking orange. I am rocking my orange lips today, ladies. But anyway, if you get a chance, you should just order these. I mean, they're worth it. They're good quality t-shirts. I mean, you know, and for 18 bucks. And I think if you order 3, you got some deal. And I ordered 3. And they have sweatshirts and other things, but I thought these were so adorable. It made me want to even put one on Coco back here. I don't know. What do you think? Anyway, ladies, I hope you're keeping it pretty and keeping it classy. And I hope that, you know, don't let anyone steal your pretty. Don't let any extra weight steal your pretty. Don't let any naysayer steal your pretty, you know, like why are you letting your hair turn gray? Why are you doing that? You know, you'll get that. It's your pretty. It's yours. Own it. Hold on to it. Don't let anyone take it away from you because it's got to be pretty. We are pretty. And, you know, there are going to be changes. Our body's going to change. Our life's going to change. I want you to stay positive. I want you to be what's the word I'm looking for? I want you to just be empowered to be strong and beautiful, to be your beautiful, your pretty, you know. And I love the ladies behind me. They're all about fashion and style, and hey, that's me. I love pretty, you know. Until next week, ladies, keep it simple, keep it classic, and make it oh so pretty. See you next time. Bye.